Understanding Weather Radios, your guide to staying informed. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and importance of weather radios. Understanding this term is not only useful for language learning but also vital for staying informed about weather conditions, especially in emergency situations. A weather radio is a specialized radio receiver designed specifically to receive information from government weather agencies. Unlike regular radios, these devices focus on providing updates about weather forecasts, warnings, and emergency alerts. They are crucial for staying informed about severe weather conditions like tornadoes, hurricanes, or floods. Weather radios operate by receiving broadcasts from the National Weather Service, NWS, in the United States, or similar agencies in other countries. These broadcasts include a range of information from regular weather forecasts to urgent emergency alerts. The unique feature of weather radios is their ability to activate automatically when an alert is issued, ensuring that you receive vital information promptly. The primary importance of a weather radio lies in its ability to provide real-time, life-saving information. During severe weather events or other emergencies, timely information can be crucial. For example, receiving a tornado warning a few minutes earlier can give you enough time to seek shelter. There are several types of weather radios, each with unique features. Standard weather radios. These provide basic weather alerts. Same, specific area message encoding. Weather radios. They can be programmed for specific areas, offering more targeted alerts. Hand crank and solar-powered radios. Ideal for emergency kits, as they don't rely on electricity. When selecting a weather radio, consider factors like battery life, portability, and specific features like same technology or a hand crank power option. It's also essential to ensure that the radio you choose is compatible with the weather alert system in your country. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding what a weather radio is and why it's essential. Always remember, staying informed can keep you safe during emergencies. Keep learning and stay prepared.